Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 bicycle shifter. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Sensa new SRX Pro. Specifications: brand name Sensa, gears 12 speed, type rear derailleur, origin mainland China, components derailleurs. Item number 4 is Sensa XRX1. Specifications: brand name Lingmai, gears 12 speed, type rear derailleur, origin mainland China, components derailleurs. As the item number 3, we've selected INGRID RD1. Specifications: brand name INGRID, model number RD1, total capacity 42 to 52, gears 22 speed, material aluminum, type rear derailleur, origin mainland China, components derailleurs. Item number 2 is Shimano DEORE SLX M7100. Specifications: brand name Shimano, model number M7100, total capacity 51T, gears 12 speed, material alloy, type rear derailleur, origin JP origin, components derailleurs. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Shimano DEORE M6100. Specifications: brand name Shimano, model number M6100, total capacity 51T, gears 12 speed, material alloy, type rear derailleur, origin JP origin, components derailleurs.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.